Welcome back to another episode of Excel. I am your host, Nav. My last two videos have been about sort and filter function. If you've seen them already, then you already know sort function is a great way to arrange your data in ascending or descending order, while filter function help you get the important bits out of that data. But if you have not watched these videos yet, it might be a good idea to watch it before you move ahead, as I will walk you through a more advanced version of sort function in this video. Yes, you heard it right. There is an advanced version which is known as sort by. But before jumping on that, please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. This way you won't miss any update on my channel, and it motivates me to put more useful stuff online. Let's get started then. Last time we used the filter function to pull all the sales made by a selected sales rep from this dataset. We will use the same data for this tutorial. So if you were to sort these numbers, for example, by the highest sale amount first, or by the latest sale date automatically, you know you can use sort function to achieve that. With sort, you can sort the data based on a specific column number. Here, column 2 for sale amount in descending order. But what if you later rearrange the columns? Or what if you want to sort based on multiple columns, like sale amount and date? That's where sort by becomes a smarter choice. Sort by lets you sort filtered results by directly pointing to the column, no guessing column numbers, and you can easily sort by multiple criteria. In this case, we sort first by the highest sale amount and then by the earliest sale date. To do that, let's type equal sort by open parenthesis and then select the array. This is the data that you want to sort. I will keep dast column out of the array on purpose because we will still get the results. That's the good thing about this function. Now in the byArray1 argument, simply select the sales data column, and since we want the highest sale on top, we would type -1 as sort order for descending order. Now we will select date column, and since we want to earliest date on top, we will type 1 in the sort order, which will give us an ascending order. Now press enter and there you have it. Even though the date column was not in our array, the results are based on earliest date first. What does it tell us? Jane Smith was the first person who brought the highest sales, and Sarah Brown was second. Now it's your turn. Practice sort by function on your own data. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.